Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a PR haul video. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys don't know who I am, my name is Ken. Hello, how are you? I basically do beauty, lifestyle and vlogging type videos. If you guys are interested in my videos, definitely click on the subscribe button, also that bell so you get notified when I have a new video up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Just to re-emphasize, this is a PR haul, so if you guys are very anti-PR hauls, then you know, definitely not the video for you. So if you guys don't know what that means, public relations, if a brand likes your content, likes your work, thinks that you're a good fit for their brand, they might occasionally send out a product to you if you're an influencer to see what your thoughts and opinions are and to share them with your following. So that's pretty much what happened here today. I basically received a couple of products over the last month and a half from various brands, and yeah, I'm just going to share with you guys some of my first impressions with them. Some of the products I have used already, so I'll give you a little bit more information about that. As for the other products, I'm just going to tell you guys what I think about the packaging and, well, what I've heard so far about them. Let's start off first with some MAC products. So these are the products. These are from the water weight range. I kept calling it water light during the vlog. Really sorry, but yeah, these are the water weight products. So I have got the water weight foundation in NC37. So this is what the foundation looks like. So it's one of those sort of like dropper foundations if you guys aren't familiar with this foundation. So that's what it looks like. So while at the store we settled on NC37 because I am getting a little bit tanner these days. I think the last time I got color match was for the Studio Fix Fluid and I was in NC30. This one's NC37. Now with this foundation it is more on the lighter side, like the coverage, so you can get away if it's not exactly spot on like the color match. Now I believe the concealer and the powder are new additions to the range, correct me if I'm wrong. This is the accompanying concealer for the range, so you basically get 9 mils. I'm not really sure if that's any different from any other liquid concealer, but you also get that similar design drop. And yeah, I've again only worn this like twice, so can't really give you guys my opinion, but the 2 times I have worn the concealer has been pretty good. I mean, it's pretty good coverage. Like if you don't get enough coverage from the foundation, you can always rely on the concealer. And then we also have the pressed powder. Now I am in the shade medium deep. Now it also comes with a little brush. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it comes with its own little brush. And I thought this was just going to be a normal sort of like MAC powder where it's just going to be one whole powder. No, this is, it's got 2 sections to it. So as you guys can see, the top half is more golden and the bottom half is more on the pinky side. So you can sort of like customize where you want to apply this powder. You can swirl your brush in there to mix them together obviously, but let's say if you want to highlight the under eye a little bit, you can just use the golden shade and then you can use the pinkier shade just for the rest of the face, or like I said again, mix them all together just for an overall finish. Coverage on this one I would say is medium, but definitely buildable. Alright, next we have products from NYX. So I recently went to the Jordan Liberty masterclass. So I think they only did a masterclass in Melbourne and in Sydney. So I went to the Melbourne obviously, and I got to meet Jordan Liberty. Amazing, amazing, amazing person. And in the goodie bag we got these products. So I've got this brush set. So this is the In Your Element water brush set. So that one over there is a flat liquid foundation brush, duo fiber liquid highlighting brush, and a dual fiber liquid concealer brush. So obviously you can use them for any purpose you want, but yeah, I think this is a pretty handy set. And this next product I have been eyeing in stores for quite some time. I just never had the opportunity to grab it for myself, but we finally have it. This one is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palettes. A couple of my friends have the contour palette and they're pretty happy with it, so I can't wait to try it out for myself. And we have a NYX matte finish setting spray. So I believe this is newer packaging because let me see if I can find the old one. So this is the dewy version, as you guys can see. I'm pretty sure the matte version is very similar, just all black, but I don't remember or don't recall it looking like that, at least the font and stuff. So I don't know, maybe this is the American version. I don't know. Oh, this is a primer that I have been eyeing as well. I've not tried it before. So this one is the Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So yeah, I don't really know much about it. All I know is a lot of people rave about it and they think it's really good. I'm hoping it's going to be very similar to the Benefit Professional Maybe, I'm not sure. I've also received a couple of products from Mecca. So I'm just going to show you guys the products I received. Got the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So you guys can see I've already done a little bit of damage with this foundation. This foundation is beautiful, and I mean beautiful on the skin. The only complaint that I have so far with this foundation is you kind of need a lot of product to beat that face. I mean, I don't know. For me, to get the amount of coverage that I am happy with, I find myself pumping maybe 8 times. But then again, the pump on this is, again, it's a really good pump. It doesn't pump out a normal amount like you would get from other foundations. I would say it would give you the equivalent of half a pump for other foundation pumps. So yeah, that's why I think I need 8. I don't know, like my skin looks dewy and plump with this foundation. It's really hard to explain. It's something that you have to see in person. It's hard. Like, I don't think you can see the beauty of this foundation on camera, but in person it's stunning. So yeah, really recommend this foundation to you guys. I also got the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. Really good. I don't know, it's just got this nice creamy liquid sort of like formula, and it blends out really well on the skin, and because of the formula it's quite hydrating on the under eye area. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this concealer. And then to accompany that, I also have the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. So this stuff is good. This stuff is the bomb.com. Like, you guys know I love using drugstore setting powders and stuff like that, and they're still really good. But there's something about this powder that transforms the look of the skin. It doesn't look powdery, if that makes sense. And I also like how this thing has got an actual lid for the sifter. I can't really show you guys at the moment because I've got powder everywhere. But yeah, and it's also got a slight, I suppose, like beige tones that doesn't come off white, and even if I pack on a lot of powder, I don't feel like I'm having a bit of a white. I don't feel like I get a bit of that white cast that I get from some of my other loose powders if I overdo it. There's a lot of Too Faced in this Mecca haul bit. I just love it. I've also got the Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. So I really like how Too Faced have designed their packaging. It's just very, I don't know, very princessy. It kind of reminds me of Japanese princess makeup, but it's, I don't know, it's like, it's really pretty. I really like that bronzer. This bronzer is definitely more on the brown side. I just got a whiff of that chocolate scent. It's definitely got more of that brown tone as opposed to like an orangey red tone that I look for in many bronzers. But again, this is still good. I can actually use this for contouring if I really wanted to. But if I just wanted like a natural brown bronzer, that's the one I would go for. Girl, the next product I'm going to show you guys is stunning, and I mean stunning. It's literally a gem. It's this product from Too Faced again. This one is the Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. So it's got a really long name, but look at that. It literally looks like a gem. It's so pretty, and like, I've used it a couple of times and I feel like the design's still in place, but that's a little light swatch, if you guys can see that. That's a light swatch of it there. As you guys can see, it's got that white base, but got like a sort of like purpley shift. It's really pretty. Alright guys, the next product is from NARS. So this one is sort of like a duo. So this one has a contour and sort of like that highlighty shade. I have not used the highlighty shade, just the contour shade. It's very pigmented. So I've had a couple of times I've used it and it's just like, whoa. It's just a line of brown, and I've done it a couple times around my nose too, so it's like, that's like really hard to fix. But yeah, it's really good, really pigmented, and yeah, I just like the formula. Okay, next product is from Urban Decay. This one is the Kristen Leanna palette. So really pretty palette. So let's just open that up. It comes with a dual-ended brush as well. I don't know where it is though. But yeah, those are the colors that you can choose from the palette. Ooh, and another product that I got from them is a MAC Studio Fix. Is this a powder? Pressed powder? I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what it looks like. If you guys have ever heard of the brand Fanola, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. They recently reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their products. I thought I was just gonna get like a normal size shampoo bottle, but no, I got like salon grade industrial size bottles. Like, oh my gosh, that is massive. So they contain like 1 liter each. So I've got the No Orange mask and shampoo, and Yeah. I have skimmed through the internet and just saw some videos of people using them, and I know one of my friends has used them and she really likes them. They're very, very pigmented, so I'm really excited to try them out. So when they did reach out to me, I did say I have like dirty blonde hair. I would still consider this sort of like dirty blonde. I mean, like the ends are really light, but like around the roots there, you can see there, it's a little bit of orange peeking through. So I said I would like sort of like more blue tone shampoos to help with the dark blonde issue. But yeah, I can't wait to try them out. I've also got products from the NutriCare line. So I've got the reconstructing mask. Again, I have not tried out this brand, so I'm not really sure what to expect. So I've also got a shampoo and a conditioner again. So again, if you guys have any feedback, opinions on these products, I'd love to hear from you guys. And then we have the Bond Connector number 2 sealing cream. I'm not really sure how this works. I actually thought this was something you mix in the bleach, but now that I've read the back, I don't think so. I think this might be like an Olaplex sort of like product where it heals the ends of the hair, rebonds it. I think that's what it does. Like it's like a take-home product, I think. Not sure, I'll do my research. Oh, let's talk about these products. These are from Manicare. I've already used this sponge and I do apologize, it's very dirty looking. But yeah, this is a sponge. Then we've also got tweezers. You can never have too many tweezers because I always seem to misplace my tweezers. I might just use that for my lashes actually, because that's actually pretty small. So it's again like a mini one. And then we have a makeup remover towel. So if you guys are familiar with like that face halo from Chloe, like by Chloe Morello, that collab, it's basically a microfiber cloth from my understanding. So yeah, I'll see how this works. You just need to add water apparently, and then you can just reuse it for a couple of times. As to how many times, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a good alternative if you guys don't like using like those oil-based makeup removers. We've got some eyeshadow palettes. So these ones are from the Magnifies range. So I've got a colorful one, I've got a nude one. By the way guys, I am thinking about doing giveaways on the channel and on my Instagram very soon. I just feel like being a bit generous. I mean, I've received a couple of doubles from PR companies and I'm thinking maybe I should just give those away, because there's no way I'm going to be using, like opening another product of the same shade while I have that one open, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you guys are interested in giveaways, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down in the comment box down below. Alright, so we've got this one. This one is the hashtag Fix and Go makeup setting spray. So you can use this as a primer and a setting spray, sorry. So it's a 2-in-1 product. We've also got a Duo contour stick. So this stuff is really handy. When I first tried these contour sticks, I have to admit I was skeptical in the beginning, but these actually are really nice. They're really nice on the skin. They blend out really well, and if you just want a subtle cream contour, you can just definitely use these, and you can definitely build it up if you want like a more dramatic contour. So yeah, that's one option at the drugstore for you guys. So this one is the Kate Trio highlighting palette. Oh, I thought this was like a contour palette. So that's what it looks like. I have I've got this sculpting trio from them. So I thought that's the same thing, but no, this is just all highlighters. Ah, interesting. Let's see how blinding these things are. Alright, so I've got a bunch of lippies here. Let me just put some of them down. If you guys aren't aware, Rimmel London has just come out with lip top coats. So these are the 3 shades they have. So one is definitely more of the yellow golden tone, one's like a rosy gold one, and one's like this pearlescent color. And then I'm pretty sure this is the entire range of the Stay Matte lipsticks. These are pretty good. I've worn them out a couple of times. So these are the nude shades. And then these are the more, I'd say, vampire colors and slightly avant-garde colors. Anything that's not red, purple, or nude, I just consider avant-garde. That's just me personally. So these are like reddy purple shades. Yeah, I think this is more of a blue tone red, and then we have, I would say that's like a grey color. And then Rimmel London sent me one of my favorite loose powders. Like I said, the Too Faced one is really good, but this is like one of my favorites from the drugstore. This one is the Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Translucent Powder. So yeah, Really good for baking if you guys are looking for an under eye baking powder available at the drugstore. Ooh, this is new. I've not tried this out before. So this is the Stay Matte Makeup Primer Base de Maquillaje Número 3. Yeah, so yeah, I've not tried that before. Ooh, yes. I love using this concealer for like contouring and obviously concealing. So this one's from the Lasting Finish Breathable Collection. Ooh, this one, I'm pretty sure I've tried this out before. This one is from the Wake Me Up range. Yeah, Wake Me Up range. I've done a review of the foundation ages ago. If I can find it, I'll link it, but it's like really horrible grainy quality. Like I filmed it on like a little point and shoot. Alright guys, so that is the haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys would like me to review any of the products I've just featured, let me know down in the comment box down below. And yeah, I will let you guys know when the giveaway is happening. Giveaways, actually, I should say. I'm probably going to do a couple of giveaways. But yeah, just let me know if you guys are interested. Hopefully you guys are, because, you know, I'd love to share some of the products I receive with you guys, because yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!